Right, talk away.
It's a washing, you can't.
Well, thank you so much to everybody that bought stuff last week in the shop. You actually bought more stuff than we thought anyone would buy, so we were completely overwhelmed. And it's just me and Flip and maybe Evan and other people that unfortunately pop in to say hello that get roped into packing. So I just want to say thank you very much, and please be patient because we will get your orders out over the next week or so, and we're doing it as much as we can. We're also going to do a pre-order in maybe a week or two because we actually we never have enough stuff to meet demand. Thanks lads as always, and please enjoy this video.
Like and subscribe to this.
Syken Luke cried.
Nice. 80s album.
I bought that
Yesterday.
It better be good. Because I've had the same fucking album.
The same album.
Same CD has been in this car for 4 years. And I'm listening to it over and over and over again.
Practical van.
Yeah, there's eight wheels and tires.
Maybe
10. 6 a.m.
6 a.m. We're going to a drift event, and the rest of the lads have trailers and vans and fucking. Oh Jesus Christ! We're gonna wake everyone up. Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Extra weight.
Yeah, I can't afford a van or a trailer.
No.
So
this is your van and trailer.
Yeah, but I always drive my car to the event. The last event I drove home from was Norway. So hopefully, right, I have 10 Achilles tires, so I'm either coming home with no tires or no gearbox.
But it's okay because we have the best of the 80s.
Let's not get done for copyright, but
Yeah.
Compton was the American dream.
Compton was the American dream.
Pump is leaking, lad. I'm paying for that petrol that I'm not getting.
So
So I may as well get fucking high.
sniff it up, buddy. Triple CD. Wow, remember CDs? Oh, there's speakers back there.
Yeah!
It's flat as a pancake.
Jambon.
So if you try to tear that in half, which you're not going to do, it'll just
You
go
want
all
half
over you.
of it, like?
The pastry explodes.
Which way would you like me to? I guess
Whatever you want. Thanks for the jambon.
Yeah, they're nicer when they're warm.
Jesus Christ, man. The fucking advertisement you get in these videos is like absolutely everywhere.
Out the window.
Fucking stage here. Do you want to see the most Irish thing in the whole world? So in Ireland,
We could have waited for more.
yeah, cattle hold up the roads.
Hey Josh, what happened?
I have to keep an eye on my wheel nuts.
Why?
You know, I have to look at my sump because it's smashed up.
Off that speed bump back there.
No.
What?
Oh, it sparks from behind that. They're just right behind you.
So your wheel studs nearly fell off.
Sparks. Yeah.
Jesus, look at that.
Have a bit of a
Leak?
Oh no, it's not.
The pink is still here.
Yeah, Flip gave me this to protect my
Like that you
fuel pump wire and stuff.
sealed air product.
Delhi. So we're here in Cork at Watergrass Hill, Car Park Adventure World. Just clean her out.
I'll leave a few bits in there.
Quiet car, civil. Just an old 80s Toyota.
Civil. White.
Adrian's here.
Yeah, do you know Adrian's here? Christ. Just unloading your van.
Yeah.
Unloading your van and trailer.
Even brought some tires to get home on.
Okay.
I need them.
Oh, oh my God! Excited?
Yeah.
Going pro. How you feeling out there? You getting out there to win?
Car feels good.
Yeah, and then he's just in an E30. It's like, oh, okay. And inside it, you look pro. Look at the gloves and everything. You've arrested just sad head. Those cows don't give a fuck. Look, they're not even fazed by this. Take that cow, it's all separate, right? Well, how you getting on, John?
Good.
How's it feel out there?
Oh, unreal, man. Fucking real. Oh, man.
You having fun?
Oh, yeah. I love it.
Do you?
I love that car.
It's great. It's a good match here.
Threw a little galvanised pipe in there, like.
That's fucking great.
I don't look too close, like. That's the problem. It's pissing out of that one.
Pissing out, so that's what all that white smoke was.
Actually, look, it's funny.
It's never good when you're doing an old gasket repair on this the track.
I did see Josh's good sealer work. That's sealer porn right there.
Sealer porn. Sealer application. You lost your bumper within the first like 20 seconds of it.
Usual, you know? Yeah. Get a bit of melt.
Enjoy out there.
So much oil.
Oil everywhere.
I don't know how there's any oil in the engine.
Flip, you're gonna have to fix the back bumper.
I'm not fixing that.
And we just said that it's survived all this time. Now it's fucked, broken. Drift logos, boy. Back in the day.
How did this happen? Tyre?
Yeah. That won't come off, will it?
I might, I don't know.
Bit of compound. Oh yeah.
For the cloud, isn't it?
It is, that's the joys of it though.
Look at it.
You have to pay to play.
Pay to play.
There's oil pissing out of the back of the car, which is going all over the track and all over your car.
Not great for the boys.
Not great for you, the boys.
All over the track. Yeah, I said it. You dick.
You don't know where it's coming from.
No.
8 tires gone.
8 tires gone. First time doing a bit of skidding in about
14 months. First time driving in Ireland in about 3 years.
it's fun.
Yeah. I just thought maybe it's these tires are just shit. Like. It
Maybe.
feels like I'm just spinning wheels. Like it's literally in the rain. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's frustrating. If I bend really fast, it's just washing out. It's funny, it's strange. I don't know. Maybe they're sitting up 4 years. Who gives a fuck anyway?
You still look good and you feel good.
Yeah, I mean, I look great. The car looks good. Fucking great day. I look great, don't I?
Yeah, look at this.
Pro drift.
Pro drift.
It was you that made the difference. Just looking, just fucking conversating in your suits.
Top Gear.
Yeah. We're sound friends, it's great.
I put it on, I'm going to take it off.
You're going to have to paint it again, so. Just using the jacking point. What are you doing? Comfy.
Yeah, sure I'm at home.
There's no point in getting the front bumper. Bring it home. You're not bringing the front bumper home anyway. Oh, whoosh, spectacular. Did you have fun? That looks so good. All three together there now. What?
We were all pretty confident out there too, like.
It was spectacular seeing three really beautiful cars that are driven on the road with stereos.
Three beautiful boys. Cars and coffee.
That go to Cars and Coffee, dude.
That's what it's all about, though.
Cars and Coffee.
Oh, success.
Hey! Woo! All right.
Wow, lads. Because all our cars are so, like,
Yeah.
we don't want to damage them. Like,
No, boy. That's great. What a fucking rig. Buzzing Reuben, boy. First skid back on Irish soil. Look at the rubber on the Ganadors.
All I care about is that the lights survived.
Which the
Front lights.
yeah, are there N1s, sure, aren't they?
Yeah, just survived. Everyone's a winner.
Is this a great idea?
No. This is only find out it's a little filler, I think.
Brilliant. That was brilliant. That arch roll outside for my
the fucking problem solved, man.
side street arch roll. So yeah, we just rolled the arch on the side of the fucking road with a power bar. The car's fixed. The joys of driving to the track and driving her home.
Just keep our, keep an eye on our vitals.
You're burning more oil.
Yeah.
And the last thing you want to be dealing with is this.
Where did you go?
Something
Off our
came
fucking
flying
heads.
off his car, sounded like it did. Pull in around the back, trade him in.
Yeah.
I'll get you a brand new deal on the latest Auris. She's a hybrid.
Oh, did you get scrappage on it? Would you?
Scrappage. But we've brand new cars, lads. You just take your pick. Ready to go. We have the Passat. Gates open. Passat's ready to go. 192.
You can't go wrong.
You couldn't go wrong, sure. Sure, how could you go wrong?
How could you go wrong?
Thanks for the day out.
That's what it's all about, innit?
Yeah. Drop me home in
Picked you
the.
up, dropped you off. That's what it's all about. We hope you enjoyed watching this as much as we all had. As we all what? Yeah, you know what I mean? We had some fucking crack.
Yeah, we did.
Okay?
All right. See you tomorrow.